Okay, everybody, today's project is complete. Some of the stuff I used right here, but the most important thing I needed was there. And if you see my before video, you heard how my dryer sound at my house for the last few weeks. No, actually for the last few months, we were putting up with it. Almost paid $800 for a new dryer, and almost paid somebody $600 to fix it. You know how I fixed it? Listen to it nice and quiet now. $20 parts off of eBay. All they needed was new roller assembly on there. The rollers were broken. New rollers right here cost me $20 off of eBay. I'll show you the old rollers where they were broken at. This was the old rollers. See? That was broken. This one was completely destroyed. Service guy came over, tried to charge me $600 to fix that, put new rollers on. I did it myself for free with $20 parts off of eBay. New rollers for $20, got it delivered. Beautiful YouTube, which I love. Walked me through it on YouTube, and I did it all myself. I took this whole dryer apart, put it back together, and that's how it sounds now. Beautiful.